Hi, my name is Jack Walgamont, and today I'm going to talk about an article titled, New Study Finds Women Wearing Heavy Makeup Are Viewed as Having Less Human-Like Traits, written by Eric W. Dolan in the SciPost on January 30th, 2020. This study was written by Philip Bernard, a tenured researcher at the Free University of Brussels. Across 4 experiments, 1,000 male and female participants, mostly from the United Kingdom and the United States, were asked to evaluate women's faces with or without heavy makeup. In this study, the researchers used augmented reality technology, known as Modiface, to add makeup to images of the women's faces. Results showed that faces with makeup were rated as less human while using complementary indicators of dehumanization. They were perceived as possessing less humanness, less agency, and less experience in Experiment 1. In the experiments 2 through 4, they were perceived as less competent, less warm, and they had less morality than faces without makeup. This pattern of results was observed for faces of both models in experiments 1 and 2, and ordinary women in experiments 3 and 4. In experiment 4, researchers manipulated the part of the face that wore makeup, eye makeup versus lipstick, and found that faces with eye makeup were attributed the least amount of warmth and competence. Faces with makeup are perceived as being more sexualized when wearing makeup, which indicates that sexualization can be communicated through facial clues, for example, lipstick and mascara, and not only through bodily clues, for example, tight-fitting clothing and suggestive postures. The findings of this study suggest that heavy makeup prompts men and women to focus more on women's sexiness and sex appeal than on their personality, thereby causing a form of dehumanization. Personally, I feel that makeup is the root of several problems in America. The first problem is that when women wear makeup, it is easy for them to feel that they aren't pretty enough, which then leads to self-confidence issues. The second, as proven from the study, shows that wearing of makeup leads to the dehumanization of women by men. Granted, in society, there are tons of problems that women have to deal with just because of their gender. Much more in the world needs to change, but the importance that society places on makeup and the need to feel pretty for other people is one of the first major problems that our society could easily solve. The results from the study can be used by influencers, models, and cosmetic companies when they are advertising products. It could also be helpful to makeup users when they are applying their makeup to avoid feeling objectified. According to the study, it might be that faces with heavy makeup are perceived as possessing less human-like traits because they are visually processed in a way that resembles how most objects are processed. This study did not go into varying levels of the amount of makeup that women are wearing, however. It only used heavy and no makeup, which makes it more complicated to understand how makeup truly affects the way that women are viewed and where the point of dehumanization occurs. Influencers can use this as helpful information when they're posted their videos and or pictures to think about the amount of makeup they're wearing and potentially encouraging younger followers to use. Thank you so much.